Hello everyone and welcome back. So this is actually a continuation of my previous video because I felt like there was still so much left to express about this topic. Sometimes when we are talking about creativity, expression, storytelling or dance, one video honestly doesn't feel enough because these are not just subjects, they are experiences and emotions too. Right. And I didn't want to rush through the thoughts just to end perfectly. So today, I simply want to continue the conversation naturally from where we left off. So, in the previous part, we spoke about dance as expression, movement as storytelling, emotion through body, language, and how different dance forms communicate meaning beyond words. And now I want to explore this even deeper, especially the connection between dance, discipline, culture, identity, and emotional expression. Because the more I observe dance, the more I realize that movement is never just movement, it carries intention, energy, memory, and sometimes even healing. So let's continue this conversation together. And I want to begin with something very important about communication, like the body speaks. So sometimes people communicate emotions without saying anything. In dance, body language becomes intentional. For example, eye contact creates emotional intensity, posture creates confidence, gesture creates meaning, movement creates atmosphere. And this applies beyond dance too. Even in everyday life, confidence, nervousness, openness, hesitation can often be seen physically. That is why dance helps improve awareness and expression. So, like I said and I mentioned in the previous video, that dance is also connected to mental well being. So, I'll cover the dance as healing, emotional release, stress reduction, confidence building, mind body connection, and self expression. So, one of the most important aspects of dance today is mental well being. Dance helps people, believe it or not, reconnect with themselves, release stress. A little bit of movement also helps improving confidence. It expresses emotions safely. Sometimes people cannot explain emotions verbally, but movement helps release those emotions naturally. Even simple dance workouts or moving alone in your room can improve energy and mood. Agree or not? Dance creates movement physically and emotionally. And I think in today's fast moving world, the emotional release matters deeply. Agreed or not? If you agree, then please leave a comment. If I talk about next part, it's dance in the digital age. Like dance creators in worldwide, tutorials and choreography, cultural exchange, visibility for talent, global inspiration, and YouTubers. Today, dance storytelling is evolving through digital platforms. YouTube, Instagram, and online platforms allow dancers from all over the world to share their creativity. And honestly, I think that is wonderful. People from different cultures can now learn dance forms, appreciate traditions, share choreography, inspire each other globally. And I genuinely admire dance creators who consistently show up online because expression in public takes courage. I hope you all agree with it. If yes, then please drop a comment. And many creators practice for hours behind the scenes. That discipline deserves appreciation. Don't you think that? That discipline deserves appreciation. And I also think digital platforms have made dance more inclusive. People can now express themselves regardless of background, location, age, professional status. And that openness is beautiful. Agree or not? Please drop your comment. Well, it's really important for all the listeners to agree, to all the viewers to agree or disagree, or to drop a comment also, because it really matters. So moving on to the next part, dance as craft and discipline. What audience don't always see? Repetition, practice, timing, physical endurance, and consistency. One thing I deeply respect about dancers is discipline. People often only see the final performance. But behind every graceful movement, there's an involvement of every important element, and that is related to repeated practice sessions, physical exhaustion, corrections, consistency, emotional dedication, and of course, their show up attitude that get included in consistency. So dance is not just a talent, it is craft, and craft requires patience. No dancer improves overnight. Improvement happens gradually. And honestly, that lessons apply to life too. I hope you all agree with this. Now moving on to my personal reflection. My relationship with dance, observation, admiration, expression, emotional connection, joy through movement. I really like to dance. I really like to enjoy dancing because it's really add joy in my body, in my mind, and a lot of things become so easy that it seems like that it was never been difficult for me to enjoy life. So observing many dance forms was a part of my daily job. Sometimes I was learning, sometimes I was getting inspired, and what I admired was the Bharatanatyam for its expression and discipline, Kathak for its rhythm and grace, and Salsa for its coordination connection, contemporary for emotional storytelling, and freestyle for authenticity, and belling for elegance, hip hop for energy and confidence, and bihu for joyful sophistication. And honestly, every dance form has something unique, believe it or not. I think dance reminds us that expression does not always need words. Sometimes movement itself becomes enough. That's why I start feeling enough whenever I do a movement, whenever I perform. Dance is human storytelling. Did you know that? That includes emotion, culture, discipline, identity, and connection. Dance tells stories beyond language. But whenever we perform on stage, we really don't pay attention to such things. We just start doing our mudras, or we are just so concerned with our steps that we don't even pay attention to such things. So today, I want to leave you with one final thought. Dance is not just entertainment. It is memory, emotion, culture, healing, discipline, storytelling. And perhaps that is why dance continues surviving across generations. Because humans will always need expression, and sometimes movement expresses what language cannot. So, whether someone dances professionally, casually, traditionally, emotionally, or freely, that expression matters a lot. And every dancer carrying emotion through movement deserves appreciation. So, thank you so much for being a part of this lecture, and I hope after today you look at dance not just as movement but as a beautiful human story being told through the body. Thank you.